Good evening. Let's make today's update for the video portfolio, which is down a quarter of a percent in tandem with the general market, which is down. Let me check here. Well, it is down a bit more, 0.6%, the S&P 500. And so, well, we're roughly unchanged and we're up 8.7% since inception. Off the highs here, you can see we've been consolidating here around the $27,000, and well, the portfolio has been recovering since the midday, and we'll see where everything closes. As for the individual holdings, I've updated the analysis on their specific threads, but let's go through the charts. INSW, it is still standing still here, and the earnings will be out tomorrow before the open. So if you don't like to hold through earnings, you better sell it today. But I'll hold it. I'm quite confident earnings will be good because insiders have been buying here at 680 and 17. So around the current price, which is 733. So I believe that they wouldn't buy if earnings were going to be bad, right? So I'm expecting good news and a jump above $8.67. Perhaps tomorrow we'll see. It will be very interesting because this stock doesn't move much without significant news. Moving on to EDAC, well, the stock just touched this ascending support here, and we also have the 50 days moving average moving up and this long-term ascending trend line. So the stock is very bullish. Fundamentals are also attractive and supportive of a much higher share price, so I'll keep on holding this one. And Eternal, well, today I've opted to draw this medium-term chart and to show that I expect the next bull run to take ETLT above $1, at least to $1.20. And because well, this stock is trading at 4.5 times 2007 earnings, this is my estimate, which considers that the seasonally strong period is still ahead of us, not behind us. So this stock is really very attractive from a fundamental standpoint, and I'll hold it with strong hands here. And the company just announced the stock buyback plan, but it still didn't produce a very big rally. I see it just as a consolidation here, and we'll have a white candle here. That's my expectation, and I'll keep holding Eternal Technologies. As for PFSW, well, I was really surprised to see it down 6% this morning. I attribute that to very low liquidity in the morning, but now the stock is coming back and it is actually higher. It was down 6% earlier, but it is, let me see, where is it? PFSW. Well, it is up to 2.25 now to roughly $1, with volume above average. But the fundamentals are supportive of a much higher share price. This stock is priced for bankruptcy, and management is doing a tremendous turnaround at the cost division, which is very important for this company. So definitely second quarter earnings will be better than expected, so the stock should rise at least until then, and for the future. That's my belief. I believe this stock has great potential, and I'll keep holding it. And we have TRT, which is a small cap semiconductor company growing a lot. It is a 71 million market cap company and trading at 16.5 times 2007 earnings, but that estimate, there are no analysts covering this stock yet. That estimate is using just the first quarter numbers and extrapolating those for the rest of the year, but you can see here, let me try to show you in a minute. Okay, this is too small, just a second. Okay, TRT quarterly financials. Okay, you can see here earnings per share over the past 5 quarters. They've been growing every quarter. So if we get some more growth, the stock will be trading at a lot less than 16 times earnings. I've used these 34 cents here, and even though there was a bit of a revenue decline here, but so the chart is very attractive. Fundamentals too. No reason to sell it here. I'll keep holding. I need to expand the portfolio's capital to be able to own five more stocks, because I really don't want to sell none of these five, as I expect them to perform. Look, the portfolio now is almost unchanged. Okay, so this was today's update. See you tomorrow. Bye.